Hello students, we are doing chapter accounting equation, and in accounting equation today we will understand what is opening capital, what is closing capital, and how we can calculate profits of the firm during the year. So first of all we will take an example. Let's say this is the full year of the firm. So this is our business accounting year 2019 and 20. This is 1st April, the starting point of the year. On 1st April 2019, we have invested 1 lakh. That means owner has invested 1 lakh. So this is the owner's opening capital. He is investing. The investment that he is making first time is the opening capital of the owner. So afterwards, on 1st June 2019, 40,000 is introduced by owner as fresh or additional capital. Some additional capital was required and he introduces 40,000 as some additional capital. Next, on 1st November 2019, 25,000 he is withdrawing, and the drawings are those things, those amount that a person withdraws from his capital for his personal use. So 25,000 he is making drawings, and at the last of the year, on 31st March 2020, he is earning net profit 60,000. So these are the transactions. These are the transactions during the year we have given. सबसे पहले 1 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट किए स्टार्टिंग में ओनर ने, तो उसे हम ओपनिंग कैपिटल बोलते हैं कि स्टार्टिंग में जो कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस की, उसके बाद एडिशनल कैपिटल कुछ और ज़रूरत थी बिजनेस में तो और पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए 40,000. देन ड्राइंग्स की, ऑनर ने ड्राइंग्स की, उसको पर्सनली कुछ पैसों की ज़रूरत थी तो 25,000 नवंबर 1 को 2019 को उसने ड्राइंग्स की. इसके बाद लास्ट में उसने प्रॉफिट अर्न किया 60,000. दैट मीन्स कि बिजनेस ने ये प्रॉफिट अर्न किया 60,000. सो 1 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट था पहले, फिर फ्रेश कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया 40,000, फिर ड्राइंग्स हुई 25,000 एंड देन प्रॉफिट अर्न किया बिजनेस ने 60,000. तो अगर हम इन सब से, हमें ओपनिंग कैपिटल पता है, तो इन सब से अगर हम क्लोजिंग कैपिटल निकालना चाहते हैं, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट क्लोजिंग कैपिटल, एंड क्लोजिंग कैपिटल विल बी, सपोज he is giving to the business 1 lakh and 40,000 he is giving more. That means he is giving 1,40,000 and he is withdrawing 25,000. So if we withdraw 25,000, then the remaining capital will be less than the previous capital, so it will be deducted. And net profit, so net profit is of owner because there is a single owner in the, so we are talking about sole proprietorship here. So net profit is of one person, that of the owner. So 60,000 is the net profit and it will be added to the capital. So the closing capital will be opening capital plus fresh capital introduced minus drawings plus net profit. So at the last, closing capital of the owner will be 1 lakh plus 40,000 minus 20,000 plus 60,000 and it will be 1,75,000. So this is how you can calculate closing capital if opening capital is given. And if closing capital is given, then you can also calculate opening capital by reversing the process. You will reverse the process. This is the closing capital, then you will subtract net profit, add drawings, subtract, this will be subtracted additional capital and you will get opening capital. तो जब भी आपको ओपनिंग कैपिटल निकालना है तो आपको क्लोजिंग कैपिटल वाले सारे प्रोसेस को उल्टा करना होगा, क्योंकि आपको क्लोजिंग कैपिटल दिया हुआ है। क्लोजिंग कैपिटल जो लास्ट में आपको मिला उसमें से आप प्रॉफिट कट कर दोगे, ड्राइंग्स ऐड कर दोगे, एडिशनल कैपिटल कट कर दोगे और आपको ओपनिंग कैपिटल कैलकुलेट हो जाएंगे। उसके बाद ये है ओपनिंग कैपिटल एंड ये है क्लोजिंग कैपिटल। Now we know that accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So if question comes like this, in question you are saying that assets has to calculate and the liabilities and capitals are given in the question, you can calculate assets, or either you can be given liabilities and assets and you can calculate capital. So this can be accounting equation can be written like this: assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. You can calculate capital by subtracting liabilities from assets, and you can even calculate liabilities from subtracting capitals from assets. So this is how you can change your accounting equation, but the basic thing is same. That means assets of the any firm or business is equal to liabilities plus capital of the business. So assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. So suppose this equation is given: capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. So this is given, and in this case if closing capital is given, then closing assets are given, then closing liabilities are given. So if opening assets are given, opening liabilities are given, then you will calculate opening capital. If closing assets are given, closing liabilities are given, then you will calculate closing capital. So this is how you can calculate either of the thing by changing the accounting equation. So this is closing capital's formula, and you can even calculate opening capital by reversing the process of closing capital. So first of all, make it clear that the concept should be clear to you. So once the concept is clear to you, you can do any calculations. So first of all, do all the concepts once again. See all the videos. If you have any doubt in accounting equation, then move further. So this is the accounting equation and you can change your accounting equation. This is closing capital and this is opening capital. Now let us take a question. A commenced business on 1st April 2019 with capital rupees 7,50,000. This is the capital, and starting capital it is given 1st April 2019, that means it's opening capital. So we will write here opening capital is equal to 7,50,000 and loan rupees 2 lakh. This is the opening liability. So we will write opening liability 2 lakh. On 31st March 2020, at the end of the year, assets were rupees 15 lakh. So we will write closing assets 15 lakh. The owner introduced fresh capital 1,25,000. So fresh capital is 1,25,000 and had withdrawn rupees 40,000 for personal use. That means it is drawings. So drawings is 40,000. Find profits. So we have to find profits. First of all, we have given all the information and we will write it here. Opening capital, closing assets, opening liabilities, drawings, fresh capital. Now we want to find profits. So you know that closing capital is equal to opening capital, fresh capital plus net profit minus drawings. So here we can put all the items. That closing capital is not given. Opening capital is equal to 7,50,000. Fresh capital is 1,25,000. And net profit is to calculate. Drawings are 40,000. This will be subtracted. Now the two things we don't know, 1 and 2. First of all, we will calculate closing capital and we can see here. These are the main things we have given in the question. So these are the things we have given in the question. And we have to calculate. Now we have to calculate closing capital. So how we can calculate closing capital? We know that assets are equal to liabilities plus capital, and if we want to calculate capital, then assets minus liabilities will be capital. So closing assets are given because we want to calculate closing capital. So closing assets are given and that are 15 lakh. And closing liabilities we don't know, but the liabilities in the beginning were 2 lakh. So we suppose here that these are the liabilities at the end. So 2 lakh is the liabilities and at the end this is the closing liability. So closing assets are 15 lakh, closing liability is 2 lakh. So we will put the value over here. Closing capital is equal to closing assets minus closing liabilities. So we can have this value. So we will calculate closing capital and it is 13 lakh. So we will put the closing capital over here. Then we put it here and you will draw this in the first part and then you will calculate this. First of all, you see that what are the things you need to calculate. There are two things. So this thing you can calculate, and when one thing will be remaining and then you can calculate all the calculations. So first you will calculate closing capital. On the second number you will calculate this and you will calculate net profit, because after that you will know all the items. So closing capital is 13 lakh and 7,50,000 is the opening capital. So we will bring it here on this side and it will be subtracted. And I have told you that if you want to calculate net profits, so closing capital minus opening capital minus fresh capital and plus drawings. So we will calculate like this: 13 lakh minus opening capital minus fresh capital and plus drawings 40,000, and this is the net profit. We have 4,65,000. So this is the question. Like this you can calculate any of the thing you have missing in the question, but make it clear that the concept should be clear to you. Once again I am saying the concept should be clear to you. Once the concept is clear, you can do any type of calculation.